Hey guys, in this video we are going to review the Bissell 1782 Pet Hair Eraser Cordless Hand Vacuum. If you want more information, please start the video. Features: ergonomic design. Weighing only 3.75 pounds with the battery, the Bissell Pet Hair Eraser 1782 is fairly light and makes cleaning easy without the consequences of aching arms and shoulders. Compared with other handheld vacs, this one is on the lighter end. It's not an awkward bulky size either, with its length at only 16 inches, which is average for many of the best handheld vacuum cleaners. Motorized foot. The motorized tool allows the vacuum to be more efficient, especially in deep cleaning. It is also one of the reasons why this cordless handheld vacuum is good for getting rid of pet hair. You can't always find a motorized foot in any cordless handheld vacuum cleaner, which makes this feature one of the Bissell Pet Hair Eraser's main highlights. CREVICE tool. The new Bissell Pet Hair Eraser comes with a couple more attachment tools, including the CREVICE tool. This is a useful accessory for cleaning the corners and crannies of your upholstery, stairs and furniture. Especially if you have pets, fur can go deep into these corners. This is where the CREVICE tool can help you with cleaning. Upholstery tool. The upholstery tool will work great on soft surfaces and furniture where pet hair is harder to get rid of. You can also do this for your car mattress and other delicate areas without worrying about damaging the surface you're working on. Dual action filtration system. The dual filtration system is a great innovation that has been added to the new version of Bissell Pet Hair Eraser 1782. This technology avoids a quick buildup of dirt in the filters. Typically for vacuum cleaners with a single filtration system, dirt soils up in the filter mesh. Not only that it can be difficult to clean, it may also damage the filters easily. Washable filters. The filters of Bissell Pet Hair Eraser 1782 are not only efficient and have been upgraded, they're also washable. Vacuum cleaners with washable filters are usually a positive feature, as it allows you to save money. You won't have to buy new filters frequently when you can just wash these vacuum parts. Pros. Motorized tool has its own motor for better agitation. Dual filtration keeps the main filters cleaner longer. 4-volt nickel-cadmium battery. Great for homes with pets. Cons. Dirt container only 0.7 liter. Long charging time.